Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will learn how we can add the legends to our map. Okay, this is legends are also the main and the most important part of the map. Okay, in this video, we will learn from the basics about the legend part, about the legends of any map. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe this channel to learn more about the GIS. Okay, just go to the insert button and move towards the legends. Okay, this is the legends. From here, this is the most important part of editing the legends into any map. You just have there are almost 4 geologies into my map, and I just want to add into the legend items. I just want to add this, and I just will not want to add this. Okay, I just want to add the boundary of the area and the points. Okay, uh, just I just want to add these 5 things into my legend bar, into my legend box. You just have to these are all your total number of working layers on which you are working. These all are about your total number of layers, and these are the layers, these are the shape files layers you want to appear in your legend bar. Okay, just set number of columns in your legend. I just want one number of column. You can set to maximum. I just will apply to next, and this the title, you from here you can change the title of your legend of I just want to legend, just make it as a simple legend. Okay, the title font I just make it to yellow, the below the size will be 14, the type of your font Arial black, and it should be bold. This is totally about your legend representation. I just wanted to center align and just click on the next button. Okay, this is about the border. I just want to make the border of my legend bar is like this. Background of your legend, just light sandy color. I don't want any shadow of the my legend box. Okay, just click on next, and this will be appeared to your legend. This is all about your text, title and legend item. This will be the difference in the distance between your text and the legend item, and this will be your from your legend, from your one layer to another layer. Okay, just finish. No, you can check that my legend has been appeared like this. Just me make you visible. Okay, just it's not working. I think so. It's something happening wrong. I think so. It's in layout view. That's why it's not appearing like that. It is not working accurately. This is my legend bar. Okay, you can see that this legend. Let me make it a little bit bigger. No, I can say that you can be, it's easy to watch. Okay, you from here you can replace it anywhere. This is about your box. You can just no, if you want to rename your, just I want to rename my legends. For example, this is geology theory, and I know the geology of this. For example, this is any scacer limestone, or this is any sandstone, and this is Hueda formation. I will change the name of all the things from here, and it will be automatically changed here. Let's suppose I want to just I want just to change it from here. I will change its name. I will just change its that it's is a queer formation. Okay, just click on apply and press on OK. It will be automatically changed. Here you can see that Quera has been appeared like here. Okay, in this way you can change. Let's suppose these are my points. These all my points, my coordinated points. I just change the properties of these points. I just click here my points, enter, and these points are automatically changed in your legend bar. This is the most, and let's suppose this is my boundary contour clip. Okay, I just click on this and here just make it here my boundary, my boundary, and press on enter. You can change. You can see that this is being changed to my boundary. Okay, in this way all the things you can change into your legend bar. I hope you understand how we can add the legend bar, how we can make it customized according to our own will. Let's suppose this geology is not appearing us accurately, and then we just like to make its color green. I just want to make its color this type of this color. Okay, apply. Okay, and this will be paid like this. This is the same things, the most easiest things, the most easiest way you can change your things in the GIS. It's just GIS is just demanding a little bit practice. By practicing you can do anything in this GIS. It's an amazing software, it's an interesting software to work with it. Okay, I hope you understand this. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time.